So guys, in this video of YouTube marketing course, I am going to explain you the things you need to keep in mind before monetization on YouTube. So basically this will be the complete guide about the monetization thing on your YouTube channel. So let's start with the first slide, and here I'll be explaining what is monetization on YouTube so that you can understand this term properly, right? Like what is this monetization called on YouTube? So I have mentioned 3 points over here. The first point says YouTube monetization is a part of the YouTube partnership program in which YouTube shares videos and other revenue with its creators. So basically there's one criteria, and when you complete the criteria, YouTube allows you to join the YouTube's partnership program, right? So monetization is a part of YouTube's partnership program, and once you get approved from YouTube will start sharing the revenue with the creators like you when your video starts getting some views, right? After this, the second point is the YouTube partnership program doesn't just share revenue from videos but also includes super thanks, then super stickers and other revenues as well. So yes guys, this also happens. This is not just for the video views and the ads revenue. A part of this, you get super thanks revenue and super stickers or super chat revenues, and other revenues are there as well, like membership and all, right? After this, after joining the YouTube partnership program, YouTube also gives a lot of facilities to its creators because YouTube has become so popular because of its creator, right? So it is not just the monetization part. After you join the partnership program, you also get another different kind of perks directly from YouTube, like invitation from FanFest, and even you get the access to their studios in some cities, in some countries as well, right? So there are many other perks when you are into the partnership program of YouTube, right? Now I hope you got the understanding about what is this monetization is and what are the perks of monetization, right? Because if you are not able to monetize your YouTube channel, then you will be not able to earn money directly from YouTube. There can be other ways as well, like sponsorship programs and different other things, but you can't earn directly from YouTube, right? Those are indirect ways. Now after this, we are into the next slide. Here I have mentioned the eligibility criteria for the monetization. So as I told you in the previous video that there's some criteria which you need to complete in order to get the approval for monetization from YouTube, right? So the criteria is you should have at least 1000 subscribers, right? Then 4000 valid public hours in the previous 12 months, which is 1 year, right? So what you have to do, you have to accumulate, you have to gather 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours on your YouTube channel in previous or in last 12 month, in last 1 year. And along with this, you should have the active two-step verification or two-step authentication on your YouTube channel. Also, your channel shouldn't have any community guidelines strike in order to get approval for the monetization. Also need to follow all the YouTube monetization policies. If your channel doesn't follow these policies, then definitely YouTube will reject your approval request, right? And the lastly, I have mentioned over here that live in a country region where YouTube program is available. So obviously if in your country the YouTube partner program is not available, then you will be not able to get the approval, right? But mostly in the majority of the countries, YouTube partnership program is available, right? Now after this, in the next slide, I have mentioned difference between views and watch time. So here I haven't mentioned views. Here you need watch time, right? Which means watch hours. So what is the difference between 4000 views and 4000 watch hours or watch time? 4000 hours of watch time. What is the difference, right? So here I have mentioned on YouTube, the number of views show how many people come to your video, and watch time shows how long people stay on that video, right? So both are different terms, both are totally different. Views means how many people have landed on your YouTube channel and how many people have opened your YouTube channel, and by checking views you will be not able to determine, or you will be not able to understand that how long people are watching your videos. But when we talk about watch time is like how long they are watching your videos. Let's say your video is for 10 minutes, but if the people lands on your YouTube channel and on that particular YouTube video, that 10-minute YouTube video, and they just watch for 10 seconds or 20 seconds and then they leave, then the watch time is only 20 seconds and the view will count 1, right? So this is how it's done. So your channel should have accumulated watch time of 4000 hours. Now after this, the second point is video views people increase by adopting different methods, but not everyone can increase watch time, right? So you can definitely increase the video views by using clickbaity thumbnails, clickbaity titles, right? I have already told you about clickbait in my previous videos. If you don't know about clickbait, you can check out our playlist. So using clickbait, you can increase the views, but you can't increase the watch time, because definitely people will understand that the content you have shown in your thumbnail or in your title part of your video is not relatable to the real content. So definitely they will leave the video after 10 or 20 seconds. Then the third point is, to increase watch time, you must have your audience valuable content. You must give your audience valuable content. Definitely, if you want to increase the watch time and you want real viewership, then definitely you have to provide valuable content. And there's no any substitute of valuable content, right? Now the last point says, to increase the views, people use misleading thumbnail, clickbait, which is very wrong. As I told you, people do use clickbait in order to increase the number of views. Now after this, which viewing time is considered for watch time on YouTube? So YouTube have different types of properties. I mean different types of video uploading methods. You can upload your video on a landscape mode. You can upload your video on a portrait mode. So here you need to understand that which video viewing time is considered for the watch time and comes under that 4000 hours of criteria. Right, so here I have mentioned that only regular uploaded video, like we have uploaded this video, so this is the regular uploaded video, and landscape stories and short videos are considered for watch time, right? And a part of this, other methods, like if someone uses your shorts and stories video in portrait view, then it is not considered watch time. All right, I hope you got the point. Now the third point is, mostly people see stories in portrait view, so shorts and stories are not helpful in watch time, but it is very useful for promotion and making a brand, right? So you can use your shorts, YouTube shorts technique and YouTube stories, but it will not contribute into your watch time criteria, right? So keep this thing in mind. Now the last point I have mentioned is, advertising videos are also not considered in watch time, right? So I hope you understood the point, that which viewing time is considered for that criteria, 4000 hour of criteria, right? Now here I have mentioned that, so will it rain after monetization, rain money after monetization? The straight away answer is no. Once your channel gets monetized, you are eligible to earn, but it is not like that you will start getting thousands of dollars on the first day of your monetization. It totally depends on the watch time, or it totally depends on the engagement your videos are getting, right? So let me explain you some extra thing over here. YouTube monetization is the first step of earning money from YouTube, right? So this is not the destination, this is the first step of getting money from YouTube, right? After this, monetization does not give you any guarantee that you will earn money from YouTube from the very first day of getting approved. It depends on your content and performance. Yes, it totally depends on your content and performance, right? So there are many services in the market that claims that they will help you to approve your channel get monetized. So don't go for those services. There's no any use of those services, because monetization is not a thing. Monetization is not that much hard. If you are delivering valuable content, definitely within a month you can get 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time, right? Now if you don't follow the terms and conditions of YouTube and repeatedly disobey their conditions, then your account may be suspended or may be cancelled. Monetization may be also cancelled. So keep this thing in mind. Always follow terms and conditions of YouTube, right? And don't disobey their rules, their conditions, right? Now, here I'll show you how to apply for the monetization, right? So there's a simple process which you need to follow. First, you need to log in into your YouTube studio. This is how the YouTube studio looks like, right? So by default, you will be into the dashboard. So in the left hand side corner, you'll be able to see a menu where you need to scroll a little bit down until monetization option appears, right? And then click on that monetization option and you'll be able to see this type of screen where if your channel has completed the criteria, you'll be able to see all the green lights in this option. Basically, you have completed the 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, then the active two-step verification, and you don't have any active community guidelines strike, right? So after completing these 4 criteria, you just need to hit the apply now button so that you can apply for the AdSense account. And here you need to follow these 3-step process. First, you need to accept the partner program term of YouTube monetization. So what you need to do is you need to click on the start button, and once you click the start button, you will be able to see a term sheet like this, right? Program term. So if you want, you can read it totally and then click on these check boxes. After checking these boxes, you just need to click on this accept terms button, and your first step is done, like this, right? After this, you need to sign up for AdSense. So what you can do is you can click on again start button, and then you can follow the process. Like if you have already logged into your Google account, you can sign up with your Google account and you can create your AdSense account. Although this can take few days, like 3 to 4 days, to verify all the things. And if everything is perfect, your AdSense account will be approved. And after getting approved your AdSense account, you can go for the third step, which is connecting your AdSense account with your YouTube account, right? YouTube channel. So this is how the process looks like. I hope you understood the process. I hope everything is cleared regarding monetization now. If you still have any question, query, any kind of confusion, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Now I want to take your leave. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.